Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. So I'm Saranya and in this video we are going to solve another LeetCode problem. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, so the problem is 570 managers with at least 5 direct reports. It's a medium problem, but it's actually very simple here. Okay, so the table is the employee table. We only have one table. In that table, the columns are ID, name, department, manager ID. Okay, so ID is the primary key, which means this particular ID column will not have null values or duplicate values. Each row of this table indicates the number of each row of this table indicates the name of an employee, their department, and the ID of their manager. Okay, so ID is the employee ID and the name is the employee name, which department the employee belongs to, and what is the employee's manager ID. So no employee will be the manager of themselves. Okay, fine. So write a solution to find managers with at least 5 direct reports. Return the table result in any order. Okay, so the question is very simple. We have the table called employee. In that you have ID, name, department, and manager ID. So the output should be the manager who has at least 5 direct reports, which means for the manager 101, if you see 102, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 people are reporting to that particular manager. That is the reason why this person 101, whose name is John, is coming as the output. Okay, so let's try to write the solution. So for that, what I will do, first I will take the manager ID column and I will see which manager has count greater than or equal to 5. That means more than 5 reportees are reporting to that person. So it will be like select manager ID from employee table. Okay, now we are trying to group the manager ID. Okay, and then write having count of manager ID should be greater than or equal to 5. So what this will do, it will take the manager ID column, it will group all the manager IDs, and wherever the count is greater than or equal to 5, all those will be coming as your output. Okay, so let me run this. Now you can see manager ID 101 has come. So now what we have to do, we have to take this particular output and try to filter in this table. Okay, so wherever the ID equal to 101, which means this one, there you have to pick the name. Okay, so then what you will do, select name from employee table wherever your ID equal to, open the bracket here and close the bracket here. So now the input for this ID will be your managers who have more than 5 reports. Okay, which means 101 will be the input here. So if you run this, okay, now let's submit. Okay, so now if you see that it is giving an error. Okay, you might ask, why is it giving an error? We gave equal to, which is correct, right? No, that is because your subquery returns more than one row, which means whenever you have more than one manager ID who has 5 employees reporting to them, let's say in future 102 becomes a manager and he also have 5 employees reporting to them, then this equal to will not take multiple inputs. Okay, you can't give, let's say whenever you write an equal to in the where condition, you can't give multiple inputs like 100 and 100 and 203. In those cases, you will use something called as a wildcard operator, which is your in keyword. Okay, so this in keyword will handle multiple manager IDs. Like in future, you have 101, 102, all of that it will handle. So in acts like your multiple OR conditions. Okay, so now if you run this will be accepted, and if you submit, the code will get submitted. Okay, yeah, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.